to this training course, The Emergence of Smart Entrepreneur. And this time around, we are looking at Fiverr freelancing. That's our focus on this advanced Fiverr training course. So, very quickly, we're going to be looking at what Fiverr is and how you can begin to make the sugar and honey that's available on Fiverr platform. This course tutorial is beyond just um, learning about Fiverr generally. We're going to be looking at deeply into freelancing. One of my major emphasis boils down to the fact that the future of work is such that what the future of work is flat because we now live in a flat world whereby with just the use of the internet you're able to connect with anybody in any part of the world for services, for communication, name it. The internet has made the world so flat. And even in America today, a number of works being delivered and being done in America have been outsourced to companies outside America. Some 8 hours as in differences in flight, as if you have to travel, for example, from some state in America to Mumbai in India, you travel 8 hours and name it. Some of these guys are milking outsourcing. They outsource these jobs. But this time around, even right from the comfort of your home, you can actually what make some of all this work possible. As a web designer, a web developer myself, I've enjoyed it so much. I remember a few years ago I was working with the Iton PC in the UK, as in from here in Nigeria, and it was a good one for me because actually I have a contact, and that's why we're going to be looking at services that you can actually deliver on this note. So this Fiverr, we're going to be looking at the Fiverr platform. By way of introduction, my name is Williams Adelegan. You can Google that, Elijah Williams Adelegan. I'm a digital marketing consultant and the developer of this course. Before venturing into digital marketing, I've been into the IT industry for over 12 years, from basic ICT to networking, hardware, name it. Presently, I'm an Oracle 12C, 11G, 10G certified professional, associate, at the same time SQL expert. I'm an Oracle 11G security implementation specialist, a web designer and developer, and I've trained over 7,000 students in different areas of ICT, from Microsoft networking, web development, Oracle, Java, among other areas. Also, I'm the CEO of Combat Systems and Skills Academy. Skills Academy is the company responsible for the production of this material. First, let me say I really appreciate you for buying this course material. And we're going to be looking at Fiverr as a platform. It's Fiverr on Alexa. Alexa is actually the platform that enables us to show how sites are being ranked. And for example, if you look at Fiverr, it's actually ranked 473 on Global. That means it's on number 473. As a matter of fact, it used to be higher than this before. Higher means this would be like 270 something, thereabout. In India, for example, it's ranking 156. And we definitely know how many population of people in India that are crossing over a billion now in India. And this is actually one major site that is rating 156 in India. Let's look at the next review. You see, in India is 156, United States is 852. Global ranking, we saw that earlier. In Pakistan is 47. In Bangladesh is 70. In United Kingdom, we see 476. If you notice something, one key thing is important there. When you're on Fiverr, you're going to realize a whole number of the guys on this site, as a matter of some companies represented on Fiverr, they are from Pakistan, they are from Bangladesh. They are taking advantage of this opportunity, as in because they realize that because most of the users, most of the buyers of these services on this platform, a whole number of them are from United States. So they just keep pushing this job out towards skillful persons out there, and most especially because of the currency differences. Not a whole number of us are taking advantage of this, and it's been tremendous. But let's not forget, it's a skillful platform that demands for skillful people. You don't just go there and jump. You can do all manner of service anyway, but you don't just go there and look as in without skills and make money. No. This Fiverr, this is what you see when you get to the site on Fiverr.com. What do you need done? Find it on Fiverr. Fiverr is actually a platform that connects buyers and sellers together. If you are on AliExpress, for example, you connect buyers and sellers of products. Konga Jumia, buyers and sellers of products. But this time around, we're looking at buyers and sellers of services. There is also a product kind of tool here, as in here, whereby you can actually make a product available. But we are looking at services key, the kind of service you can actually make available to your buyer. So, and we have millions of people of services on this platform, different kind of services that people have created. Buyers are coming there to like, see, let me buy this. The same you as a seller also can also buy from somebody else on the platform, and a whole lot of money are being exchanged in hands on this platform on daily basis. So, what kind of services can you really find to deliver on Fiverr? Because, for example, the first time I discovered Fiverr years back, I was like, I'm a developer, I'm an Oracle SQL expert. I look at the amount of the skills I have to offer, and finding out that it's a $5 paid platform, I was discouraged. I don't have a $5 skill. That was what I told them. They're like, forget it, that's a poor man platform. But on the contrary, we're looking critically at the kind of service you can deliver within a very short possible time. Quality service now that you can aim $4 for, not even $5, because Fiverr is actually going to take 20% of the money you are earning there. So these are the Fiverr gigs. When we say gig, that means services. You have the graphics and design, selling services. You have the digital marketing. You have writing and translation, video and animation. These are quality, and you see them. They are internet-related services. Everything you are seeing here. Over here too, you see music and audio. You see programming and tech. You see advertising. You see business, and you go further. You see lifestyle. You see gift. You see fun. You see all manner. You see someone saying, "I will dance for you," probably in the front of National Theatre for for five for $5. I will dump, carrying the logo of your company on my head for $5. You see all manner on this platform, most especially for business promotion and yes, business promotion. Name it in different capacity. You have graphics. Graphics are good selling gigs. Digital marketing, no, selling, writing and translation, video and animation. At the moment, video and animation, they are killing it on Fiverr, and you make videos, intros, and the rest of them. So you see web design. For example, when I saw WordPress, I was like, how can I build a WordPress site for $5? But we're going to be looking deeply into all this as we move ahead. So Fiverr, like we're made to understand, is unique in that it is a micro job website that offers products and services for only $5. It's fast growing platform connecting millions of buyers and sellers worldwide instantly. The wide range of services and products that are available meet a growing need for reliable and economic services, especially those of small business and individual buyers. Let's not forget the other platform apart from Fiverr. We have the freelancer. There are all manners of other platforms that actually enable buyers and sellers to connect. Some you have to bid for the services, and today a whole number of developers, software engineers are taking advantage of this platform to win good money. The concern a number of people actually had at the beginning when Fiverr was actually launched was that it's a medical talent platform, but soon enough, Fiverr has been able to prove all this person wrong. Now that it's very apparent that even quality work, as in, are made available on the platform. And you realize that most of the sellers on the site are focused on providing good quality work. It's key, good quality work with emphasis on fast turnover. You see that? Fast turnover. If you deliver a service of even 1,000 naira, the emphasis boils down to how can you replicate 1,000 naira 500 times? That's key. These entrepreneurs would rather sell 10 items or provide 10 services for $5 than try and sell one service or product for $50. Yeah, that's always obtainable on Fiverr. So moving forward, just pay very serious attention. For example, when I started on Fiverr, it took me some time to figure it out and make my first sales. I know how frustrating it can be when people like yourself listen to me now face the same challenge. And that's why we decided to share this knowledge again over the years. And from a number of books I've read, videos I've actually stumbled upon, as in to make sure we give you this unique, superior, advanced fiber as in guide. Good. Note and listen carefully. Just as you're sitting there reading this, you may have already been aware of the fact that Fiverr is super great. Probably you are even aware of Fiverr as a platform to increase your income and expose your product and service to anyone who may need it all over the world. You start with $5. And even right now, this is 2016, you can actually start with more. Yes, and you can start with more. Fiverr has actually changed, improved on the platform. Then you can actually start, you can create a gig extra, as in not just $5 now, you can increase it, as in you have the same opportunity as somebody who has been on Fiverr for years. But as a newcomer, you are expected to stick with the $5 range so you can actually get people to buy from you before you start increasing the amount of position on service. And once you begin to do that, the sky indeed is your limit. And on this note, that's why myself and my team have collected and summarized for you our personal experience, both on Fiverr and the digital marketing world, into this magnificent, superior Fiverr guide. We lay out different aspects of good Fiverr activity from the beginning to the end. So, this advanced Fiverr guide introduction, we'll be looking at in the Fiverr platform, the rules, potentials, the ranking system. There are rules. Where there are no rules, there are no, as I said, where there is no law, there is no sin. There are rules that guide Fiverr. For example, exchanging your personal contact with your buyers is an error. Fiverr shun that at completely because that automatically means you want to move that buyers off from the platform. That $1 times 1 million on daily basis, that's $1 million. So the moment you are planning moving them by any medium, your account can be banned completely. Cool. That's one of those rules. You see, there are all manners of rules on Fiverr, a number of them that we're going to be looking at when we log into the website in due course. And also, how do you create a great profile? Your profile matters a lot. It tells so much about you. If your profile is up to date and articulate, it says so much about you. And that's why in this guide, you are going to learn based on successful sellers profile, as well as unique tips for establishing a good seller's record. Okay, for example, this is a possibility. I saw this in a particular material I bought online. Somebody is doing this. Is this not fabricated? This is not Photoshop. And that's to tell you too that you can actually attain this level when the time comes, as time goes on. For example, this actually a pay from one of our members who is doing over $4,000 a month, right from Nigeria. At times we co-render service on this platform together too, on this account. We are going to be looking at opening accounts and a number of other things when we go into the training proper. Okay. So our Fiverr freelancing, how do you earn an income of Fiverr? Can you really earn $100 on daily basis? And the ranking system of Fiverr. Okay. We mentioned this before. Your profile needs to be polished. The world is ruled by perception. If you're for example, I'm a good website developer, I come there, I just put one picture, just show it there, don't just care, there's this nature of, I know I'm doing, it's about what I can deliver. No, on this platform, your perception, how you position yourself on the platform matters a lot. So you have to design your profile and make sure you stay safe and establish a good seller record. So how do you do that? Your profile matters a lot. If your profile is up to date and articulate, it says a lot about you. Do not lie or use fake information because it's going to tell your service delivery. Tell the reader about yourself, but in a good way. When you look at other successful sellers' profile, it will give you a very good idea. That's why you reverse engineer. Go to other people's profile, look at how they present themselves. You don't copy what is not yours, Upload a profile picture, one that is professional and appropriate. You can't be a web designer and you just be sitting down probably on a fence or holding a soccer ball and you snap and no. If, for example, you use the background image of probably an office structure, you are with a laptop, you are there, you create an impression. It's about selling impression, first and foremost for your buyers. Buyers can more easily connect to someone when they have seen what they look like. And it will improve your chances of selling your gig. People look at faces, they don't care about your content. until you deliver yourself before they know that, wow, this guy is not a true reflection of what he speaks. So first and foremost, you must position yourself for a better impression on the platform. Your biography show you inform buyers of who you are and explain why they should buy from you. Why should anyone buy from you? There are millions of buyers on the platform, skillful guys in India and in Pakistan willing to get all the jobs done, who now have companies right now with people working with them to take jobs in different capacity on Fiverr. So why should anyone buy from you? This is also where you can invite them to have a look at your gigs and pursue them. Your biography explains who you are in details. Okay? We're just talking about your profile. Design is where you connect visually with your buyers. You have to ensure you always have a good image of yourself. If you will catch the buyer's eye, you have a significantly improved chance of them buying your gigs. It's, it's worth design and never to have good images or even video. Listen, the video part, I'm going to be discussing about that later. In today, 2016, when it comes to Fiverr, 2016 and beyond, video is key. You can't negotiate it. It actually increases the ranking of your gig by over 220%. You get that? By over 220%. There are many tools available on the web that can help you with video stuff. But don't forget, you can also do it all on Fiverr using, you can use somebody, you can tell somebody else to create video. But it's key, the video thing. In the other video I'm going to be releasing subsequently, I'm going to be doing major training on some of the video tools and how you can master them A to Z. Okay? So the next thing is, what's the gig? When I talk about your profile, we're going to be going into details practically, one step at a time. For example, the first time I heard of gig, like gig, a gig, talk of megabyte, kilobyte, byte, gigabyte. So when we say 60 gig, you know what gig is. So, somebody say, hey, I have gig, I have gig, my gig is selling. Like, what is this guy talking about? Even as a professional in the industry, you understand? Your gig, it's not the gig word. The freelancing word is classified as the gig word. The gig structure, writing and design is what make you sell more. Listen, here we're going to be looking extensively and discuss all aspects of great gig design, such as, for example, your title, your description, your keywords, your tags, the timing, the graphics, the images, the videos, how you subsequently upsell. We're going to be showing all that here. Still on your gig, you must design your gig. Make sure it's awesome. Your gig title, your gig description, keywords, tag grammar. Take care of the details. Be coherent. The duration. If I actually see someone that is going to give me a complimentary card in 24 hours and somebody else is charging the same amount for 2-3 days, I'll prefer give the guy. Everybody, it's not speed and accuracy. Speed and accuracy win the race now, not just mere safe and steady. Instruction for buyers: don't steal video. Don't steal. Don't steal. Don't steal anything. It's very difficult to even steal video. Don't steal. You understand? Use your video. You're talking of upselling your gig extra. Keep your eye on the ball. Diversify your gigs subsequently. You'll be looking at how to do that. So, how do you design your gig? When you meet a new person in any situation, you're going to make sure that you put your best foot forward. You want to create a critical perception. You've created your profile now. Present your gig, the kind of service you are rendering. That's what your gig represents. What service are you rendering? It is exactly the same on Fiverr. If your photo profile is mediocre, it doesn't represent, the buyer might think that your work is what. That's exactly the way people think. They are not going to pay you $5 and waste their money to try and prove themselves wrong to let me try this guy. No. Your gig must be well presented. You have to upload the image of your gigs, and that's why today you are expected to add a video to each of your gigs. Adding an interesting video to your gig, both video and picture now, will make them memorable and will incite the buyer to become interested in your page and hire you. You can buy photos on Fiverr or from any stock photo website. Always make sure they are good quality and attractive images. And make sure you don't just download any generic images. Design your own. Understand? So if you are using a photo of yourself for your service, go to the trouble of making sure that it looks professionally and classy. Like I said earlier, being an office platform. Understand? Get a quality picture. Understand? This can be emphasized enough. Go to the trouble of presenting yourself on your service properly, because you are not trying to convince you that you are worth hiring. You're trying to convince everybody that one can hire you. Listen, we can't overemphasize, like I've saying this, the power of videos. Listen, and I'll discuss this later. Okay? Your gig title, any sort of product usually are a memorable title. The title should immediately associate with what is being sold. Listen, what you are selling should be tailored with the title. Are you selling article? So you should be able to like make sure everything you are right, and that's why you have to go to any particular category you are selling. Go to individuals doing well in that area. How do they title their gig? Take the time to make sure your gig is not just generic as a conventional. A title like I write article for $5. No, it's not. It's never going to meet request pouring in and open the door for a policy price. You have to better luck with the title like I write awesome articles, you understand? Or I write 500 SEO, you understand? Quality articles. I write, when you look at other article related gig there, you see what they put there, and you just pick, you understand, one or two things from different brands, from different sellers. What do you get? You're able to like create a very good gig title. This is still not the cashiers example. You understand? Even this, I will write awesome, no? When you are permitted to use one capital letter, and the total word is about 80 thereabout, but it's already better than the original. Use power word. Power word. Fiverr allows you to only use one word in capital letters in your title. This can work in your favor if you use those capital letters to highlight your skills and differentiate you from the rest of the pack. Also, if you can, add a time limit to the title. Yes, sir. You see, I will what? I will write an awesome, 500 what? You see that? 500 word articles for only what? $500. You see that? In 24 hours. That's another level. Okay? But only if you are sure that you'll be able to what, honor the commitment. When you put the time and you draw attention, you must make sure you fulfill the promise. When buyers are sure you are committed to the time limit, your sales can improve by up to 20%. And on that note, always make sure you take advantage of the capitalized word in your titles. Okay, for example, look at this various tip for selecting best word for your title. Filter top sellers in your preferred category to see only their gigs. Select all titles and copy them to Clipboard. Look at all the titles there. Copy them. Paste the selection to a notepad to clean the text from noises like I will and other clutters. At that point, you cannot spot certain word you want to use. You don't just copy and paste from a particular title. You can just pick from 5 different ones. Use what's going to be more superb and use the one which is best for you. Okay? Still on your gig description. Use the same when you are describing your gig now. The title is the title. Now is your description. Use the same strategy for your description as you did for your title. For example, successful sellers description. You understand? Look at successful sellers description to see which words and perhaps even the tone they use to describe your product or services. Just don't copy that description word for word. Your client might have just read theirs, and the moment they see you doing the same, what happens? You are considered lazy, a liar, a thief. Listen, take the time to design your product or service to any buyer. Like I said earlier, make sure that you take the time and make the effort to explain exactly what that buyer will be getting for their money. You understand? Make sure you do that. Very importantly. Here's the description. There's a kind of a template you can use. Start personal. I understand. I will say something about yourself as a professional article writer. Understand? Who has done this. You get it. You now look at that. I've discovered that writing articles, you understand, for bloggers and webmasters is one of the this. You understand? Look at them. That means you paint a scenario of a solution to what? To your problem. So what do you now do? Your service, you now begin to itemize what to do in bulleted format. What will your customers get in bold character? Yes, and subsequently you now look at what is your extra value. Yes, and use your power word. What are those value you can deliver? You're talking of speed, reliability. Yes, and you deliver some instruction. Yes, and again you deliver instruction no matter how boring it is. What you need from that user. For example, if you are writing an SEO related article or you are designing a video intro, you need to tell the user to give what exactly will you need to help you, what are the person need to give you, the kind of image you want to use to the video, name it. Instructions. Give me this is what I want, this is what I want, this is what I want, this is what I want. You understand? These key tools as in are important. You know, just put something there. I'm your I'm the last bus stop when it comes to running video, animation, blah 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 blah. You know, put something there to just get yourself into the mind of the buyer. It is well known for that people will give you no longer than 8 seconds. Trust me, there's sometimes there are too many sellers to look on the platform to review your page before they decide if it's of some interest for them. So look at this. Our eyes are drifting from image to bullet to bold. So use bullet, use bold, use uppercase, use underline. Break your text into small readable chunks. Don't model them up together. Okay, our keyword, we're talking about keyword even when you are blogging, we talk about keywords as in keywords, what you are referring to. Choose the right keywords. Yes, and choosing the right keywords is of critical importance. Just like major search engines like Google, Fiverr searches for keyword. When people just come to the site, they type, they search for service. So any keyword that matches what you are, or to the kind of gig you prefer, that matches the keyword you actually position on your gig, is going to connect that to your gig and bring you up. This keyword should not only be in your keyword section, but also in your title and description. You should make sure that the relevant keywords are always included in your gig, at least in the beginning, middle, and the end. This allows you to have exposure to more buyers, which in turn increases your sales. Okay, you are permitted to use 5 keywords now, as in when you are creating your gig. So, sorry, I was referring to tags. Tags is what your keywords. I'm talking of your keywords. The keywords. What actually the most important part of what you're arranging. Just on your keywords is your tag that you are allowed to use 5 tags. Yeah? Tags are critical to helping buyers find you. Fiverr is used by hundreds of thousands of people, and tags connect the buyers and sellers. Not many of them are going to go through hundreds of gigs to find you. What do? They go to the search box and search. Without the correct tags, you will find that people looking for a web designer will not be looking at your page simply because your tag are not optimized properly. Look at that. Once again, look at which tags other successful people. That's why people are already there on the platform. So you can also use Google keyword to help you select, but most importantly, tags are critical in helping buyers to find you. Look at the kind of tags other people that have created similar gigs to you are using. So you follow successful sellers anyway. Your duration and the kind of instruction you are making for your buyers. The gig duration is when you commit to a time limit for completion or delivery on Fiverr. For example, if you are still working full time and you are not always available till later in the evening when you come, you can't tell your buyer that you deliver in 24 hours. That would be possible. When you come back, probably you're already sure there's going to be like there's internet access because you are doing something different, you are not full time on Fiverr. You need to be able to create time. You understand? You have to select this carefully because if you do not honor your commitment, you may find that they got the customer leave bad reviews. And trust me, the reviews are keys, and it's going to affect your ranking and limit your earnings. Because people see bad reviews totally, it pisses them off. Wow, this guy is a bad seller. And also the instruction you give to your buyers. That's where you put any notes or information for buyers. You can also ask them to include any relevant information or special requests. And remember your manners, so don't forget to thank them for their business. Seriously, is key. You appreciate them even before they buy. The same way when you talk about customer relation in the course of even after they must have given you any service for you to deliver to them. So one most important thing too is this, how to promote your gig. Usually starting off on Fiverr, promoting gig was something I never had any idea about. You just go there, create your gig, make everything so beautiful. I just realized that day in, day out, 1, 2 seller buyers, things are not moving. Like, begin to wonder what are other people doing that's making them get 20 buyers. You understand? What are you not doing well? Begin to ask questions. It's very important that you promote your gig. There are millions, you actually see those Pakistan, those Indian, these guys are online, you understand? As a matter of fact, some of them are dedicating 150% of their time, everything time on Fiverr. So Fiverr is becoming bigger, and on that note, it's making it harder and harder to get noticed. So on that note, even as a company, because you can be a company on Fiverr, you need to be promoted. And as a serious seller on Fiverr, you need to promote yourself as well. You must promote yourself so that you can be seen. So where do you promote your gig? We have the official Fiverr forum, YouTube, with your videos on YouTube, your personal blogs, blog get posts, bloggers, client referrals, press releases, user generated website, LinkedIn, advertise your gig, even with social media like Facebook. We're going to be seeing that, and even in groups. That's why you have to have Facebook account whereby you join different groups, especially groups related to what you do. You don't go and be joining entertainment groups, joining because you want to drop. No, it won't happen. Listen carefully to that. So, customer service is key. When you look at Fiverr as business, you get results. But when you just look at Fiverr, let me just go there and let me see what I can get. I guarantee you, result is not in view. Customer service is key on Fiverr. I don't know, fast delivery. When you deliver even before time, what happens? Your buyer is happy. You connect with your clients, you build a relationship with your clients. Not so that you can take them off from Fiverr, but you build a relationship. It's also that if any member of your friend wants to buy again, please refer them to me. Is there anything I've not done right? You understand? Make your delivery very quickly. You can actually add bonus. If you're right, if you promise them probably for a 50-word article, what do? You make it 500. You let them know. You understand? Whatsoever you are delivering, probably you are doing SEO or backlinking service, name it, traffic, you promise them probably 2,000 traffic into their site, you make it 3,000. You let them know, wow, you must over deliver. Over delivery is the way forward. You must make sure you always over deliver. And also, even though you are not going to do this, it's about money back. If you are not satisfied with my work, I guarantee you're going to get your money back. So there are some bad buyers that even after they've gotten the best, they want to go the extra mile to frustrate you. But they are not so common Fiverr, because if you actually have a very good history, when that kind of thing comes, you can also you can always report to Fiverr. But you must do everything possible to avoid bad review. You need 100% good review. It's better you don't have a review than to have a bad one. Your review is not something you can clean up. It's there and it's there permanently. So you must do. Some people have had reason to shut down an account because of the kind of review. Why? There was no time, I was traveling, I was not available to deliver the job, and come on, the guy needed it on time, even though the job was taken by Fiverr, got the money, give somebody else a job. But the guy was like, it wasn't a good one, even after I actually delivered some service to some persons too, and response were not forthcoming as expected. I just needed you to understand that it's key. You understand? You do everything possible to avoid the bad review. It's key. You must get that. Understand? You must ensure maximum customer satisfaction. Your integrity is key. Understand? And that's why in this video guide you will get the highlight of good Fiverr customer service, as well as ways to make more money from existing customers. When you have returning customers, it keeps increasing your money. Understand? And because as in any organization, whether it's a small kiosk or a 45 company, understand, you will all live and die by the quality of our customer support. You need to make sure that your customer feel that they're the most important thing to you. Forget about the fact that it's $5. The same person buying $5 from you later will start buying. Probably you are building a WordPress website for just installation, you are charging $5. Trust, later is going to request a full design of a full website that is going to be costing $200. Very soon, he's going to refer his company again that are going to be doing a more sophisticated website. It's going to be about $400. Just one work. What do you expect? So, one good turn always deserve another. You must ensure superior customer service. You can't just, forget, is it not just $4? You must not look at it from that angle. Time, straight to your time, good customer relationship, talk to your customers, relate with them, and make them happy. Okay, so The thing is, how do you make money? How do you earn your income on Fiverr now? It's very simple and straightforward. Any more than Fiverr. As a seller, you place your sales offer. You mention how much you're going to collect for the job you are offering. Promoting your service or product known as what? Your gig on the website. When a buyer purchases your product or service and pays you, Fiverr takes 20% commission. You understand? Which is $1. And you are left with just $4. Starting off, it was like $4. For example, in Nigeria, when dollar at 160, 160 or 170, 240, 240 times 2, 480 naira. To do what? And work for how long? It doesn't make sense. 480 naira. I beg, I can't be a party to that. But today now, the market we actually have in Nigeria, as of the last time I checked, dollar was 340 something in the parallel market. So if you have a good PayPal account or someone that can really use his PayPal account to get your money, you understand, and not Payoneer that makes you withdraw less than 200, you are talking of $4. That's how much? Over 1,000 naira already. Let's leave that. The product or service that you sell on Fiverr are entirely dependent on you, on your creativity, on your skillfulness, on what you can deliver. So you can write an article of 1,500 words of $5, or a blog post of 200 words of $5, or you could design one business card for $5 or design 5 business cards for the same price. Your sales will ultimately depend on the demand on Fiverr. It's a question of demand and supply. So, is it possible to earn 100 naira per day on Fiverr? It's capital yes. Capital yes. $100 per day, that's $500 in 5 days. That's unbelievable shit. But people are doing it. $500 every 5 days. 10 days, $1,000. When you see somebody doing $4,000 every month, calculate it on a daily basis. That person is doing more than $100. You get it? Good. Like in any marketplace, your income depends on the demand for your product or service. When you are proven that you can supply the product to your customer satisfaction, you get more work. And trust me, there's no end to your earnings. On that note, you're actually allowed to create up to 20 gig. That means 20 services per each account you create. And that will allow you to sell 20 unique products. But it's actually advisable that you sell products that are related. You don't just you write article. For example, you have a gig, whereby you write article, and the other one in the same place, you are writing, let me say, probably 3D ebook. It's possible, but it's a shame. This guy is a graphic designer, and at the same time, he's doing what? Like, this guy is on. When you're just looking at your gig all around, like, this guy is doing so many different things. But do you know what? In that category, you make sure that what? All your gigs are actually within a particular category. Every of your 20 gigs. I've seen a particular account on Fiverr that the lady actually have 1 gig. And that 1 gig is an article. And she has sold, in like 2 years, she has sold, as a matter of fact, the number of buyers she has had are more than, I think, 20 to 30,000. Just article writing. Because at times some people emphasize you must have up to 20 gig, as in you must make sure you have all your services on 20 gig. But instead of just jumping from one service to another, and that's why, for example, if you are creating an account, you understand what we're going to look at how you can create an account, different account now. Don't forget that Fiverr only allows you to create an account by each IP address your system recognizes. Okay, so different account need to represent different services on that note. If each gig is sold each day, you understand, for the 20 gig you create, that will be a total of $100. Even where Fiverr remove, they are still remain 80. People can earn more than $100 on daily basis. But we have different kind of ranking system for Fiverr. Just the way you are being ranked. When you come in, you're actually a basic seller. In your first few days, this is the first step on the ladder. When you register as a seller, you enter as a basic seller. Your ranking can only change after 30 days and 10-6 with an excellent rate. You look at the ranking system continue, you have level 1, you have level 2. You just read all these processes. You have the top rated seller. So the top rated seller, they are being featured, they are manually picked. You understand? Your contribution in forum, a whole number of things you must have done. ensuring good service delivery, understand good customer relationship report. These are all key tools that made you a top rated seller. Okay, video, video. I can't just overemphasize this. Uploading a video is one of the quickest ways to improve your rankings of Fiverr. Usually, as newbies of 2016, you must make sure you master and art. You can actually use your PowerPoint to create your intro, your video intro, and on that note, you can convert it to video that you can actually use in the creation of your gig. The folks at Fiverr even go as far as letting us know that it's going to increase your sales by 200%. That's a serious boost. No matter which show you look at it, it makes it imperative that you upload a video because it is what is going to differentiate you from other producers and service providers out there. You must just master. I'm going to find a particular video tool and now you can use that tool. But I'm working on a different video course, full-blown video course. You understand that you can actually deliver your video intro and name it. This is actually a kind of a video course you can actually use in rendering advertisement even outside Fiverr. Because my own emphasis just it's not just on Fiverr alone. We render a number of the services we make available on Fiverr as a digital marketing company. We also render them to physical company we deal with. If you are confident and entertaining, upload a video of yourself describing your product or service. Oh, you can actually go in there, you see a number of people say, oh, I'm Johnson Alexander. Yes, sir. You're welcome to Fiverr. And here on Fiverr, I'm going to do an SEO backlinking. This is for just $5 in less than 48 hours. Exclusively on Fiverr. It must be there exclusively. You are delivering that exclusively on Fiverr. Be clear and to the point. In 30 seconds, you make an intro. You understand? It is a robot. This is human being talking to me. You draws my attention. When buyers can associate a product with a person, it makes it easier for them to associate with the product. At thus, the product becomes more memorable. You get that? Be sure to make your video informative and to the point. Very important. If you're already confident in front of the camera, get someone on Fiverr to make an animation video for you or a whiteboard video. But instead of getting someone, I'm actually instructing you now to what? Go to the extent of being able to do that. As the old saying goes, there are many ways to skin this cat. Find a way in which you can get your product or service out there via video and make yourself stand out. Look at what videos are out there. Again, as well from successful sellers and learn from them. Something that is not commonly known by Fiverr users is that each uploaded video is watched by Fiverr moderators. If you mention Fiverr a few times, you could have a head start on your competitors. This will prepare your rankings even higher up the ladder as a new seller on the platform. Okay. Is it that you don't want to appear on the camera? We have some other alternatives. Create a video with screenshot of your service or product along with some good music. This could be a real winner. You can actually do that with your PowerPoint and your Camtasia Studio. Create a video recording of your screen when you do what you do best. You understand? People love seeing behind the scenes. This can even work for a writing service. Create a video from slides. PowerPoint has a lot of impressive features that you can also export it into video format. Adding a voice will create a personal connection. Do it yourself or use a professional narrator. That's a possibility. But the thing is, remember, the use of video cannot be overemphasized. And another key thing is this, please note, I didn't document this on this video because a number of persons, how do I put that now? This is very key. Listen carefully. For example, if much if you are in Nigeria taking this video course, Nigeria as it stands today, we have a terrible reputation globally. By God's grace, all of us are doing our best to make sure we have a better reputation, training people, changing mindset, transforming lives. But take it or leave it, the typical green passport we have on ground today draws bad attention of terrorism, scam everywhere. So take it or leave it when you're on Fiverr, as a Nigeria, green, white, green, there's every tendency. Truth, we have Nigerians with Nigeria identity on Fiverr making money on Fiverr. But most times, there's always this, Nigerians. There's this Nigerian factor. That's the truth. There is this Nigerian factor that makes a number of persons to overlook buying anything from Nigerians. As in that's the utmost truth. That's the utmost truth. And since it's actually a website domiciled in the United States, as a United States citizen, I say United States person or a UK person rendering the parallel service, and not see a Nigerian person rendering it. No, there's this message of these guys are not competent. They might actually be a scam or so it's important. Understand? I'm going to be introducing us subsequently in the video proper the kind of VPN you can use to change your location, you understand, and other things you can actually do to make sure you rise faster in this fiber business. So thank you so much for your time. See you in the subsequent